Hello, this is Greg Joseph. Hey, it's Maine's Food Reviews coming once again from the Pay YouTube. So, guys, we're trying the cauliflower wings. It's buffalo style, guys. We actually made it, and this is what they look like. We actually air fry these, so hopefully they taste good.
So we're gonna give it a whirl.
So here's the spoon. This is like $5 in the store.
I can't remember.
Yeah.
Wow.
As I eat the whole thing. So which one do you want?
I'll take this one.
What did you want?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scale this.
Yeah.
Scale this from 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. What do they look like? Are these real wings?
No, it's cauliflower.
Not bad.
No.
I enjoy them. Yeah.
Oh, Chris, it's the biggest one.
Oh my word. Oh, oh. Ooh. On my floor. Don't do this at home, guys.
Chris, you ate it?
Yeah. No, I didn't.
Ate it off the floor.
I'm just kidding. I didn't do
No,
it.
thank you.
He doesn't like it. What do you scale it?
4.
4?
Wow.
What do you scale it?
I think it's pretty good. I'm going to give it a 5.
After you ate it off the floor.
Yeah. I think it's pretty good for being vegetables and breaded. Yep.
I give this guy a 6.
Yeah.
It's alright. Not the.
I mean, it's something you can have occasionally for health reasons. I think it's maybe the breaded part takes away from that, but I think when you bread cauliflower, it's much better for you. So yeah. So very tasty.
Good.
Very tasty. Yeah. There we go.
Anyway, guys, check it out. Cauliflower wings. You can get at Save-A-Lot or Hannaford.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel, Maine's Food Reviews, for more different content. Remember, subscribe, like, hit the notification button. Peace out. Have a good day, guys. God bless.